Hi, kindergarten. I hope you guys are all doing great today. We are going to start math. Now, we've been talking a lot about shapes and a little bit about sorting shapes, and we're going to kind of review and sort today. So, first of all, I want to talk to you about what kind of shapes we are going to sort today. We're going to sort flat shapes. Now, we have flat shapes here, two-dimensional flat shapes, and I want you to recall that flat shapes are long and wide, but we cannot pick them up. They don't have any height. So these are some examples of flat shapes. These are three-dimensional shapes. Here's a cylinder and a cube, and we can pick these up. Now, for our lesson today, we are going to be using some shapes, but because I can't pick these up and move them around, we're going to use these to represent our flat shapes today. Now, I know I can pick them up, but we're still going to talk about these as flat shapes. So just pretend with me today, okay? Now, when we are sorting, we need to think of a rule to sort by. So let's take a minute and look at these shapes. We have some big ones, some small ones, blue ones, yellow ones, red ones. So we have all these ways we can talk about our shapes. This one has 6 sides. This one has 3 sides. This one has 4 sides. We can talk about color, we can talk about size, we can talk about shape, we can talk about sides. This one has curvy sides. So when we are sorting, we want to think of just one rule to sort by. So looking at these shapes, I can say, let's sort these by what shape they are. So I could take all the squares and put them together. I want just the squares together. And then I can say, okay, I've got all the squares. Then I want the hexagons together. All the hexagons together. And then maybe I want to put all the circles together. Oh, here's a hexagon I missed. And then all the rectangles together. Oh, missed a square there. And then all the triangles together. So then I can say, what is the same about all these shapes? Well, these are all shapes. That is what is the same. But how they are different is these are just squares, and these are just hexagons, and these are just circles, and these are just rectangles, and these are just triangles. Now, I can mix these up and sort them in a new way. Let's look at this. What's another rule I could sort by? I could do color. So I would take all the yellow ones oh my goodness, so many yellow ones. And then all the blue ones. And all the red ones together. So I could say these are all shapes, but these are just yellow, and these are just blue, and these are just red. All right, let's mix these up and see if we can come up with one more way to sort these. I know. We could sort by how many sides they have. So this has 4 sides. This does not have 4 sides, so that would be different. This does not have 4 sides. This does not have 4 sides. Does not have 4 sides. 4 sides. 4 sides. Not 4 sides. 4 sides. Not 4 sides. Not 4 sides. This one does have 4 sides. 4 sides. 6 sides. 3 sides. 4 sides. 4 sides. And so on. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Here we go. Oh, 4 sides, 4 sides, 4 sides. So there's many ways that you can sort, many different ways. You just have to make a rule. I could have even split this one up further into no straight sides, or 3 sides, and 6 sides. So then I would have had 4 groups. Oop, 4 groups there. 4 sides, 6 sides, 3 sides, curved line. So we can sort in many different ways. Your activity today in Seesaw is to sort. Now this time you will be sorting in just 2 ways, but make sure you look carefully at the rules before you start sorting. I look forward to seeing all your hard work. Have a good day. Bye.